So now it is so. In this moment, it comes the time code into the game of the internet, and there it begins the trouble. This is meaning if a government becomes the information what it's not can need, or not like to have, or not want to have, they can create a story about a time code, or hackers can create time codes. It's meaning if something not match with the judgment of justice because it is 5 minutes before they release an information and so on, all that stuff, they are able, when it's into the money. So first place wins the gold medal, twice place silver. So there is the switch moment. This is what the Timecode made. So if you now take this book, and then, sorry, I'm a little bit sleepy. I have to go sleep. And I have really stressful process in the last 24 hours. When you take this process, there are the options of the biggest mass. The biggest mass want to know the answer. The government don't like to give the answer. It seems like aliens and all that stuff. It's the same. This is meaning if the government do not profit about to answer the truth, they can switch it. Right? And this is what here has happened. Or what's not it's happened. It's simply not useful. Right? But in this case it is important because when I come with this information, it is meaning that I can say, guys, you will become troubles. I can save you. Maybe you save thousands of peoples. So this is information what make me to a wonder, right? This makes me to a wonder, some holy whatever people think about, whatever they say about. So then they say I'm a psychopath because I'm some schizophrenic visions, whatever. And then it comes to disaster and they have money payments of 11 milliards. And this is an information what is for government important. So now they have the information. They have the information from this point. But now they have lost their options to take the master position in the situation. So this is meaning I know more than they know. And this will say that they have listening to me what I say. This is mean when they have listening to me what I say, I can say, and there is something about Dragonfly Easy Done. It's from me, also Kanye West Runaway. So then comes the next troubles. These are millions of dollars. Make around me in illegal proposition. There we come back to the situation of it is serious to bring fake news about mind control or psychic control or spy or whatever. And when this process is starting, they'll go in its whole troubles. And it's just a fight. It's all time a fight. It's fight versus yourself. It's fight versus your logic. It's fight versus your normal, normal abilities to live as a normal human, and so on and so on and so on. So that's it. So they don't want to say yes. They don't want to do this. They don't want to do this. They just want to be the best ever. Price, money have no rules. This is the problem today in this world. And then at last, the doctor work I write about dogma and the masterful things and will be copied and proclaimed by other person that he then call himself doctor, blah 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 blah. And it's then knowledge of the government. These are the problems exist. This is what people's army fate have to fight versus and have to deal with it. So it is how it is. It is simply how it is simply how it is. It is how it is. Okay, the aces. No, that's not the three checks and the ace of spades. I have touched another one. Here. Here. And a heart. And a joker. Comes here the heart up. No. Just when I'm safe. Thirteen. Today I'm at 13. So you will ever when you it's today it is possible ever when you do something good or something bad. There is no difference. You will fall into a number 13. Simply because the system is not working. And the system, the last what the system is like is some psychopaths. How guru psychopaths and all that. This is the last what governments like, and I understand this. It is a difference. It have nothing to do with guru psychopath. I am simply try this way for have enough money to live and maybe a little bit more. I do not try this to make damage of 11 milliards. I try to do this to have a house and that place I need. And if I die before, I'm die before. And if I'm not die before, I'm not die before. And if it's the damage, it comes to 11 milliards over a natural disaster, then it is